First we have to do a dry masala for our Kadai Paneer. I am taking 4 Kashmiri red chilies, which I will dry roast it for few seconds. I will add 1 teaspoon of dhania seeds, then 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And also add 1 teaspoon of sesame seed. I did not have white sesame seed. Today I am taking black sesame seed. I have taken 2-inch cinnamon, 1 black cardamom and 1 green cardamom I am taking. With that I am taking 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. All the measurements I have taken with this spoon. You can take any spoon. All of them are 1 teaspoon and 1 black cardamom, 1 green cardamom, 2-inch cinnamon and kasuri methi 1 teaspoon. It has got roasted. Now take it, cool it properly and then make it into a powder. Meanwhile, I am going to take 2 tomatoes, 1 green chilli, 1/2 inch ginger and 4 garlic. You can use more garlic or you can even omit garlic. It is up to you. Now I'll make a paste out of this and then we'll start cooking our Kadai Paneer in our electric pressure cooker. I have powdered this, all the dry roasted spices. I am just taking 1 teaspoon, adding it over the paneer and mixing it. We will keep it here. I will now start cooking in our electric pressure cooker. I have taken my electric pressure cooker and then I am going to switch on my saute mode. The timer is set for 30 minutes. I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get heated up. To this hot oil, I am adding a little tiny bit, around 1/2 teaspoon of butter. I have chopped onions and capsicum all into 1 inch by 1 inch square pieces. Main taste of Kadai Paneer comes from the capsicum. So I want you to roast this capsicum and onion till they are slightly charred. This is the only cooking you will be doing. Rest you just add everything else and pressure cook it. If you don't want that charred smell, original restaurant style smell, taste and smell, you need not charred. You just melt your butter and heat the oil, add everything in one go and cook it for 2 minutes. But when you cook this onion and capsicum, then you get the real restaurant taste and smell. It will take few minutes, around 5 to 6 minutes. I'll show you after they get cooked. Halfway through the cooking, you can add around half teaspoon to 3/4 teaspoon of sugar. See, now it's turning brown. This is enough. At this stage, what you have to do is add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and cook it. Let the and also add half a teaspoon of the masala what we made. Now add the marinated paneer. Just cook it for some time, say a minute. Then I have ground this tomato and garlic, green chilies, ginger, everything. So what you do is add everything into this. Add water into the mixing. Pour it. Add salt. Add this water. Add kothmeer, that is coriander leaves. Mix it. Close it with a lid. Now switch off the cancel. Now go to pressure cook mode. Select 2 minutes, not low. Normal 2 minutes you keep it. Your Kadai Paneer will be ready. After 2 minutes of pressure cooking, we'll wait for natural pressure release for 10 minutes and then open the cooker. I wanted to tell you one more thing. If you want the same rich red, orangish red color in your curry, you can add a pinch of tandoori red color or you can add saffron color. But today I have not added any color If you want, you can add this color or the tandoori red color which you get in a powder form. Let's wait for the pressure to go down. After 10 minutes I'll open this and show you. Now it's been 10 minutes since the cooker stopped pressure cooking. Now I'm turning the pressure seal to venting. I'll open it. While opening, be careful, open it from the other end so that the steam goes that way. It will not hit your face. If you open it from this side, the steam will come and hit you. So be careful. See, your Kadai Paneer is ready. It looks yummy. Turn it into a, transfer it into a serving dish and top it with, if you want, you can top it with little cream and fresh coriander leaves. If you think this is slightly liquidy and you want it more thicker, 1 minute, sorry. If you think that this is slightly liquidy, what you can do is, I have taken half a tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour, added 2 tablespoons of water, and now what I have to do is, I have to select saute mode. Let the thing get started. Now the saute mode has started. So now the sabji is boiling because of the heat. Let a boil come up. It will take a minute to start boiling. Once it starts boiling, add this corn slurry. You can just mix it. After you add your corn slurry, keep mixing it. See, your gravy has thickened. That's it. You can remove it. Transfer this into the serving dish. Your Kadai Paneer is ready. You can top it with little butter and little cream. Remove this. Your restaurant style Kadai Paneer is ready.